lead with authority and take bold decisions on the job is the reason why they are unstoppable. One of the most famous Leos in the field of leadership is Barack Obama. His natural ability to lead, self-confidence and inspiration brought to millions is the reason why he became one of the most influential Leos in history. Even though he is not a billionaire, his global influence has given him wealth and power. Another example is Jennifer Lopez. As a Leo, she built her multimillion-dollar empire using her strong confidence, talent, and unwavering belief in herself. She did not just dream of success. She took this as a prediction by Nostradamus and Vanga about the wealth of Leo. Nostradamus once prophesied that great leaders would emerge who would possess immense wealth and the admiration of the world. Who is greedy? Describe here but Leo, the natural king of the Zodiac. Vanga also had visions of powerful leaders and wealthy entertainers who would shape the world. Many astrologers believe he identified Leos as the zodiac sign of charismatic rulers, legendary artists, and influential billionaires. Why is Leo set for wealth? They are fearless leaders. Leos are not followers, they lead and inspire others. They attract wealth through influence because of their charisma and self-confidence. Wealth flows to them. They are bold risk-takers. They are not afraid of failure because they know they are destined to succeed. They have a powerful presence. Leos naturally dominate business, entertainment, and leadership. Are you a Leo? Your fortune will shine if you are a Leo. Wealth and success naturally follow. So your confidence, bold decision-making, and ability to attract attention will always put SAO at the top. And now we move on to the next zodiac sign set for wealth. Scorpio. If Leo rules with charisma, Scorpio dominates with intelligence and strategy. Scorpio are the masters of strategy and hidden wealth. If there is one zodiac sign that truly understands the art of wealth, power and influence, it is Scorpio. Is known for their mysterious personality, sharp mind, and extreme strategy. Scorpios don't just chase wealth, they control it from behind the scenes. Nostradamus and Vanga both stated that some people will get rich quietly and control the world from the shadows. Many astrologers believe they have defined Scorpios as the ultimate masters of secrecy and success. Scorpio's path to wealth, intelligent strategy, and powerful moves. Think of a master in chess, quietly planning every move while others just play simple games. This is how Scorpio is in life and business. Unlike Leos, who are always in the spotlight, Scorpios prefer to secretly enrich their empire. They are not impulsive risk-takers. Instead, they are patient observers, planning and acting at the right moment. Their ability to stay calm under pressure, predict trends, and make smart decisions with money is why they are one of the richest zodiac signs. Scorpio and the most powerful billionaires in the world. It is no wonder that many of the most powerful people in the world are Scorpios. Their ability to plan long-term work behind the scenes and influence others gives them the edge in business and finance. An example, Bill Gates, one of the richest people in the world. Gates built Microsoft not because of luck, but because of strategic planning, perseverance, and innovation. His success is not about popularity, it is about controlling an industry. Another Scorpio billionaire, Leonardo DiCaprio. While many actors come and go, DiCaprio carefully chose his movies, invested wisely, and built his own empire. Like a true Scorpio, he moves quietly but effectively. Predictions of Nostradamus and Vanga about the wealth of Scorpio. Nostradamus once predicted that silent leaders will emerge who will control vast wealth from the shadows. This description fits Scorpio perfectly, the zodiac sign that thrives on secrecy and power. Vanga also prophesied and technology. Many astrologers believe that it is Scorpio. Financial experts, research and technology. Why are Scorpios destined for wealth? They are strategic thinkers. Every financial step is carefully planned and organized. Silent but powerful. Their wealth is not. Scorpios boast about their success. They make sure it is solid. They have a very good intuition. They know when to invest, wait, and attack. They dominate leadership positions from business to politics. Scorpios have natural power. Are you a Scorpio? Your success is in your hands. And now we move on to the next zone sign that is set to make you rich. Virgo. If Scorpio succeeds with strategy, Virgo rises through intelligence, perfection, and accurate decision-making. Virgo is the perfectionist of financial success. In the world of wealth and success, the three main ingredients are perfection, discipline, and intelligence, and no zodiac sign shows these qualities better than Virgo. With sharp thinking, excellent analytical skills, and unparalleled hard work, Virgos do not just chase wealth, they master the art of finance using accurate strategy. Both Nostradamus and Vanga prophesied that knowledge, strategy, and discipline will always have financial security. If you are a Virgo, you may already possess the natural abilities that create millionaires and billionaire. The path to wealth, intelligence, precision, and diligence. Think of a scientist in a laboratory carefully mixing the perfect formula for a pot of tea. That's how Virgo is when it comes to money, while other zodiac signs rely on bold decisions or strong ambitions. Virgo succeeds through careful planning, research, and flawless execution of their plans. They are perfectionists in all aspects. They avoid impulsive mistakes and ensure that every step is carefully studied. They are experts in analyzing data, predicting results, and making decisions only when they are sure of success. Because of their obsession with detail, financial discipline, and long-term planning, Virgos are known for building stable and unstoppable wealth. Virgo. And the richest people in the world, many of the richest and most successful businessmen, investors, and financial experts, are Virgos. Their natural ability to analyze the market, money management, and making smart investments makes them almost unbeatable when it comes to finances. An example: Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in history, as a Virgo. Buffett became a billionaire through careful investing, extreme patience, and understanding of the stock market. His entire strategy reflects Virgo-like traits: discipline, logic, and no-waste approach to money. Another famous Virgo, Beyond. While many artists struggle to manage their money, Beyond built a multi-billion-dollar empire through smart decisions, excellent brand management, and being a perfectionist in his craft. His career is proof that Virgos are not only hard-working, they are also smart to work. Nostradamus and Babana predicted about Virgo wealth. Nostradamus said, "The great minds of the future will build empires of knowledge and gold." This is a perfect match for Virgos who use their intelligence and strategy to gain long-term wealth. Vanga said, "People who understand the power of detail will rule the industries." Many astrologers believe this refers to Virgos, the true master minds of finance. Why Virgos are destined for wealth: they are financial geniuses. Their ability to analyze and plan makes them unstoppable in business. They are disciplined with money. They do not waste wealth on, instead they grow it wisely. They focus on long-term success while others chase short-term success. Virgo builds wealth for life. They work smarter than anyone. Their perfectionism ensures everything they do leads to success.